Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change Streamlabs OBS over to English or back to a different language. So just go to the bottom left and go to settings right here, indicated by the cog icon. Then the first option right here is general. Go to the right, and the top option is language. So we can see English right here. And here's all the available languages you can switch to. So there's not a lot. So we can try going to this one. And you will need to restart the application. So I'm not going to go ahead and do that. So if you're having a problem trying to get to the language options, it is the first one under settings, and you should be good to go. So my application is just restarting right now, and we can go back here, and everything is still in English, which is good. So just go to done, it'll restart, and you should be good to go now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.